Hello and welcome to this quick tutorial on how to use your digital business cards and how to add your clickable links. Once you've already gotten your download from me, you should get a PDF with a link that will direct you to this page. And so Canva will automatically create a copy of the templates just by clicking on this link on this link over here that says use template. So click on that and then you'll see over here it even says the name of the file is a copy of this template. So anyhow, so you'll see two versions here. One is the example, one has no photos. So if you want to add your own photo, just upload your own image to Canva. In this case I have a few examples, so I'm just going to drag and drop where I need them to be. You can adjust your image. You can also adjust the image over here, change like the brightness, contrast, etc. However much editing that you need, you can feel free to do that. If you do have a background here, you can add another image there of your own, or you can even search through the elements here. For example, let's say we want an image with shadows. So you can just drag and drop that in there. And again, you can change the size of that and adjust it however you need. And then any of the text can be changed. So you just click on the section and start changing it to whatever you'd like to. You can also change the size, the placement of it. You can change the color, and also the type of font face. Just zoom in, so you can change this part here. If you have any elements such as this can actually be, you can delete it, or you can change the color, change the size, place it somewhere else if you like. And then this is the part where you'll want to start adding your links. So even the phone number, you can add a link to your actual phone number, so that when your customer or client who receives this digital card, when they click on that, it'll actually prompt them, like if it's on their phone, if they prompt or if they click on the link, then they'll be prompted to actually make a phone call. So I'll show you how that works. So you click the section here, go to these three dots, click on link, and let's just say that I've already added my own phone number, and so do the same thing. So the key is you need to make sure you actually add dashes in between, otherwise it won't work. So once you've done that, just hit enter, and you'll see also that it's added an underline there. That just means that it's been hyperlinked. If you don't like that, just go back to the three dots and just deselect underline. And if you also want to change the information there, just click on the little link button again, and then just change the number to something else. And so you're just going to repeat that throughout your design. And then you can also test to make sure that these links work properly. So again, just like clicking on the little link there and then go to link. That way you know that it actually works properly. And then in the part where it has your address, if you want, you can actually have your customer see your location like on Google Maps. So to do that, I go to Google Maps, just type it into Google. Let's say, for example, let's just pretend that salon is my business. So let's just go to this one here, pretend that this is the address that we want to direct our client to. And so when you type in your address, you'll be given the option to share, and then just copy the link, go back to the template, and make sure that that's highlighted. And then it's been added. So again, like once your customer clicks on that link, it'll just direct them to your address. And then you have these icons at the bottom here. Again, you can change the size, placement. If you don't want one, you can remove it. And so just click on the icon that you want to have clickable, and then you'll just type in your Instagram handle, and then same thing for Facebook, Twitter, etc. So in this case, I'm just going to use mine as an example. And that's done. And also, if you want to add different icons than this, just go over to Elements, start typing, let's say, I can't think of an example now. Let's just say maybe TikTok. And say you want to add like this icon instead, so you do that, and again, link it the same way you would. So I'm just going to remove that. And so once you've done making all your adjustments, then you're ready to download. So just go to Share, go to Download, make sure that the file type is PDF standard. And then in this case, it shows that you have 2 pages because you do have 2 designs here. So deselect them all and just make sure that you've selected the correct one that you want as your digital business card. And then press done, download, and then it just takes about a minute or less for that to be complete. And then so this will be saved to your downloads folder. So once you have it there, you can either email it to your phone, or if you have an iPhone, or you can just like airdrop it to yourself. And then from there, you can make sure to test it out that all the links work correctly. And then from there, send it out to your clients and your customers, and you're pretty much done. So I hope you found this helpful. If you have any questions at all, feel free to send me a message or email, and good luck.